Hey yo, what's going on with the viewers of the tube? Tyler here of Chico Crypto, coming to you not live, not in my studio, but in some people's favorite place, including mine, in my backyard by my tree once again. How is everybody doing on this midweek day? Bitcoin had a fake out, a big old fake out. It looked bullish this morning, and then yeah, dumperooski, a big old dumperooski is coming. So let's talk a little bit about the Bitcoin price before I get into that big move. And Kitty Wayne makes an appearance. The Kitty Wayne. Yes. So the Bitcoin price has been bullish since last Friday. We went from about 28.5K low to a peak of about 32.2K. And that was an increase of nearly 13% in 5 days. No doubt it was bullish. But I wasn't sticking to the bull narrative, unlike a lot of YouTubers. I mean, if you look at a lot of the top YouTubers' videos, even this morning, they were all like, oh, big move, bullish, bullish, bullish. Well, I'm sticking to what I've said for a while, and we'll get into that in a second. So the bullish move, it actually liquidated nearly 400 million in shorts over those 5 days. Although by the last day, only 40 million in shorts were liquidated. So guess what? The exchange manipulators, they reversed it, which kind of came in tune with something we're going to talk about outside of crypto. The reason for the big move. So with this recent dip from just 32.2K, when it was only at 31.1K, over 300 million in longs liquidated in just hours, you guys. So again, people are too bullish. People are thinking, you know, we're not in a official bear market, even though I think we are. People are too bullish. 300 million liquidated in longs with just that little of a move. People got way too bullish, way too quick once again. So I'm going to repeat this for you guys. I think around 30K is the perfect level for these exchange and whale manipulators to wreck the leverage retail traders. Again, I believe we're going to hang around the 30K level for a while. And again, those YouTubers who are shilling you Bybit leverage links, F those mother effers. F them. It's stupid. I mean, you think your price is going to go up when really your portfolio is going down. I mean, even worse, because leverage wrecks you out big time, more than spot trading. But now let's talk about that big move in 24 hours. So I think we could have a big move back below 30K. I mean, we're already starting it. When I last looked at the price, Bitcoin was at about 30.8K. We're getting close to that 30K support now, but I think the support will be broken because no one's really talking about this. I mean, I'm sure a few YouTubers were talking about it, but none of the major ones. They totally forgot that June 1st, today, is the first day of Fed quantitative tightening, QT instead of quantitative easing, which is QE. So since the Rona, the Rona stuff, the Fed has been doing a big, program of QE. They've been buying up a lot of Treasury, mortgage-backed securities, expanding their balance sheet beyond belief. And they've been doing this for a while now. And this is one of the first times QT is coming, and it's coming in hard. So QE is, of course, the money printers turning on and going wild. Well, QT is the opposite of that. QT, it works like a vacuum for the Fed to drain liquidity. So how much is going to be drained, you guys? How much is going down? First 3 months will be up to 47.5 billion per month at max, for them to take away from their balance sheet. And then after that, after those first 3 months, it's going to increase to an astonishing 95 billion per month. So in the next 24 hours, we're going to see how the markets are going to react to this. If you see Bitcoin down over 2%, regular market, stock market, it isn't reacting well to it also, I mean, we had a nice little initial scam pump from traditional markets, but as of right now, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, as well as the NASDAQ are down almost 1%. It's probably going to jump above 1% in my opinion by the end of the day. So, my thoughts, you know, people saw my video yesterday, they're like, Tyler, you've been bearish telling us not to buy Bitcoin. Then you tell us a video, dollar crash, dollar is gonna collapse, so buy Bitcoin. You guys, buying Bitcoin anytime is a stand against the US dollar. I mean, you guys, I wouldn't be a YouTuber for almost 5 years now creating Bitcoin content if I wasn't a long-term bull and believed that Bitcoin was going to replace the US dollar as the reserve currency. But I am a short-term bear. I see what's going on. We are correlated. I mean, a lot of this liquidity that has been thrown around by the Fed has been driven into Bitcoin. So in the short term, you know, with this happening, we are going to probably enter a bear market for a bit longer. Like I've been saying, I predict around September will be the market low, and where it's going to be a capitulation dump, probably between 14K to 21K. That is my opinion. But to really get ourselves out of, you know, what is happening, we do need to enter a pretty nasty bear market. I mean, people need to stop getting so bullish so quick off of just, you know, a few $1,000 price movements and thinking the markets are reversing, because those exchange manipulators, the crypto cartel, are going to really take advantage of retail. That's what they're doing right now. So I'm actually going to go into a video tomorrow, you guys. It's going to be an excellent video. I've been working on this for a few days. Chico investigative piece, diving into the crypto cartel. You know, I'll give you a few hints. It's mostly about Tether and Alameda and FTX. So it's going to be fire. I've been working on it for a bit. But I mean, there's some good things happening in the crypto markets. You know, of course, you know, this gives you the opportunity to own a whole Bitcoin, get a bunch of ethereum for staking. But airdrops are still happening. The OP airdrop, which I was one of the first persons to call a long time ago, is out and it is trading. I think it got to a peak of about $2. Of course, had the initial exchange dump as people who receive the airdrop take their profits, but as of right now it's sitting at about $1.25, which I think is fair for as of right now. And I mean, of course, with the bear market, if we go down, we know we dip below 30K, of course optimism is going to follow it. Bitcoin dominance is going to keep increasing, like I said here lately. Probably going to, by the end of this bear market, probably reach around 60 to 70%, as per example, other bear markets. But other airdrops are out there. So Arbitrum, you know, which is a competitor to Optimism, they haven't done an airdrop, and they've been kind of hinting at it. One of the leaders said that they, you know, can't remember the exact quote, but it was definitely a hint that they would be doing an airdrop, but they might be holding off because of the bear. You know, no one really wants to launch a token in the bear. Optimism did it, but I don't think Arbitrum is going to. But there is also ZK Sync. They have, you know, said they are going to launch a token. Now, they haven't said they're going to do an airdrop, but personally, I think they will. An airdrop is actually one of the best things you can do. So when you airdrop tokens to a bunch of people who've used your platform, it's basically like data mining because of the Ethereum blockchain. You can see how long that person held onto the token, if they sold, you know, are they interacting with your ecosystem after the airdrop? I mean, it's a great way to data mine on people. But yeah, they probably will hold off until the bear, both of those, you know, ends around September, in my opinion, and the markets start rebounding. So you guys, remember, big move, 24 hours. I have a feeling it's going to be down. Down to possibly breaking 30K support. support as of right now. And watch out for that video tomorrow. Crypto cartel is getting exposed. It's going to be a fire one. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day and watch out for the Bitcoin price. Cheers. I'll see you next time.